So here I found this solution from you for the LiveSync. Just open. Here I found the solution for the Lumion LiveSync. Just type in or open any browser you are using. Just search 3D extension warehouse. It is basically from the SketchUp. Just open it. You can easily download the free version from here. It's basically free for every user. Lumion I previously typed in. So you can also type the full name. This is the I'll show you Lumion LiveSync. Okay, I searched it basically. So this is it. You can download it from directly here. What you need to do is, before the download the stuff, you need to be logged in from the SketchUp 3D warehouse. You can basically using your email ID, your official email ID or any other ID you have. You can just sign up quickly. That's that's the easiest stuff. You can just sign up and log in into it, and you can easily download it. Just click on that. So my download is starting. Okay, I already downloaded it, so I'll show you the how to install it. So what you need to do is, in the extension stuff, in window stuff, here's the extension and the beside the window. Just click on the extension manager. Just install the extension manager. Just go to window, extension manager. I show you repeatedly because my speed is high. You are difficult to see on stuff. So click on the install extension. Go to your download directory, which basically I set on the desktop. So this is the plugin I download. Select it and hit open. So after open this, you can check out the LiveSync bar here in the SketchUp. I already installed it previously, so I have this one already. If you don't have, I'll show you how to enable it. So basically, after installation of the plugin, you will not meanwhile you also, in some of the PCs, you directly don't see here on the bar. So what you need to do is just click on the tools and click on the tools, or right click on this bar, and you can see the find out here. This is the Lumion LiveSync. So click on it. This is the plugin what we downloaded. So this is the basically free. So what you need to do is it's much easier than the previous import stuff, and this is the easy update on the both side Lumion screen and the SketchUp. But you need to notice the one stuff: your PC need to be much compatible, much heavier graphics than the import stuff. If you have the lower version and lower grade of laptop, so I suggest you to use the previous method I'll show you in the previous video. So let's jump into it. Just try this. If works, it's best for you. Just click on the create new. I select the plain environment. Wait for it to open. So this is I show you the control, how to control the Lumion. Okay, so what you basically need to do is just go on the SketchUp. Here is my previously made model. I have one of my site model of the office work, of the project work. This is my site actually. I'll show you for the reference. You can do on any model or make the new one. Just open the SketchUp screen. Just here is the play button, start sync. Just click on it, wait for the geometry and the surfaces to open. Here is the loading hierarchy. If your file size is big, it takes much time. This is the now the icon was changed. So just jump on the Lumion and you can see the model in the Lumion surface. So what it basically do is, I'll show you in minimize mode. Here I'm showing you. I set this one in the both screen. So this is my SketchUp surface. Just you can glide on the SketchUp one and you can easily live syncing with the Lumion model. Remember, it is taking much of your laptop memory and using much of your power as long and as bigger size of your model is. So if you are done with the updates like this, I am adding this. I need to make this wall higher, so I just quickly entered it. I need to delete this window. For your reference, I just deleted, and just I have done this one. After you do your changes, just stop the syncing for your computer speed. Otherwise the Lumion will crash sometimes or taking much time to load. Fuck. After you done with the updates, just stop syncing for your speed of the laptop. Otherwise it will take the much of the memory of your PC and slow the process. So I better suggest you to stop after the updating. You can start anytime also like this. This is the stop syncing and model is still here. Okay, so that's if I need to update more changes, I just click on that and it will be happening after the moment. Just glide over here and model will also sync. So that's the part of the so this is the part of the process. I just control Z the changes. Okay, so this is I done. Now stopping the syncing. Okay, so just maximize the screen. What I am showing you today is in the previous video I left this one and this library icons and the styling of the objects and landscaping. So I'll show you today how to do the one by one element. In this panel, this is the content, this is the library tools. This one is for the material editor. I'll show you first one after one. This is the landscape panel, this is the weather. So how can we use this one? So first of all, I prefer you to use the material panel. Okay, so click on the material after you import the model. If you using the SketchUp materials, these are your SketchUp basic materials directly from the SketchUp. I suggest you to use the Lumion material for the higher quality of view. So what you do is, after you go in the material, this color picker is here. So just once just click on the surface, it select all the same material. After left click, it show you here the imported material. It's from the SketchUp material. Okay, so what you need to do is, after I select this material, this is basically a planar form. So I select this. After selection, this is the yellow mark you show. This is all the material tools. You can select as per your requirement. I am selecting this outdoor material. So I change is, this is the plaster surface. So I go into plaster. I select what plaster I need. I check one by one. Or you can search by the name also. Changing by the name also. So I much prefer this is the nearest what I want to do. So I select this this material is applied. So after this you can also remove this. Just select on it any material you selected, go to click in the material library, just go into new, and you can re-import the old material. So this is that's the easiest process. You can go into plaster again. I select the material. You can customize by double clicking the material. I just select this material, and this is the applied material. I just double click on it, and I can change the as per specification I want. This is the whiteness and colorness. This is the texture placement. This is the reflectivity of the material. This you can directly apply it so on the model. This is the gloss, displacement, map scale, texture. You can see on the model surface. You can also multiple control in it. This is the texture placement, orientation. As per your detailing, you can check one after another. This is the lighting material. I will show you lighting specific in detail different video. This is the different material. So this is how you apply material. This is the SketchUp glass. So I select this one. I select the pure glass. Okay, so this is it. You can change any material like this. I'll save this. After you can select the any material, same material, apply the same in the all wear of the model. So this one is done. You can firstly change all the material you want in detail. After that you can go to content library. So here is the most important part of the background. Your model is dependent on how you make the surrounding and what is your camera angle in the model and design. So I'll show you how to design and how to manipulate the view with the surrounding and make the artificial surround. So let's get jump on it. Here is the nature. You can find in trees and shrubs and leaves and other detail element like nature element, leaves, and you can drive. I show you in the 2 or 3 example. In first one is the broadleaf. I just quickly select the foliage tree. I basically most of me use. I just click on that. Not this one. I mean, this is. I select the one tree. Okay. So after you clicking on, you can see the size of the tree. You can customize also, but it's the original size placed in it. So what I do is just select the huge tree like banyan to cover my most of the skyline. Okay, where is it? Where is the Denton Japanese spine? This is the also smaller size. So I select this one, showing you. Just click, just go where you want to place the tree. So if you click it, it place the trees. Okay, so I click this here, it place the trees. So if you need to be careful in this part. You can place it anywhere. If you don't check the tree is correctly placed or not, it show you like this. It's in the through the wall of, and it looks badly after the render or showing the other professional peoples. They will find you easily. So make sure you are placing in the right place. This is the most effectively thing you need to check before the placing the mask. So here is the, you can also placing in the mask. So just I double click on it, I click the tree what I want to place. This is the mask placement. I just click here and starting point, and this is the ending point. I just click on. You can set the multiple trees as your selection. This is the controller, this is the number of tree you want to place, and check out and check the ending and starting point. You can also customize this one. This is it here. Okay, and place it here. You can also randomize the directions of the trees. This is the rotation in the random direction. You can placement is horizontal and vertical placement. You can change. This is the direction of the trees. As per your requirement, you can do it. In the mass placement, like a cluster, you can place the cluster. What is do is click on that and it places the whole area. Make sure you don't place much trees because it's heavier for the render or your PC to refresh the rate of the Lumion. So make sure place the trees as per your requirement, not much trees, because it makes the file larger to refresh and update. So I just place it. I do not have this problem because I have heavier PC, Alienware. I do not have this problem. You make sure as per your PC. If you have heavy PC, just make sure you can do it. So here I place how to check the skyline is, what technique I basically use is, I just go to photo tab, just click on that photo tab. First I do is basically I set the camera angle. I'll show you quickly one. So what I do basically in every time, I just set the camera angle, like my perspective or my which render I need to do is just click that, and here you can see the skyline and the blank spot. Here is the blank spot also, you can see. You need to fill this gap, otherwise it shows the very bad render and the clutter surface. It shows the very bad environment. So I need to do is I place some of the trees here. So I do is I place the one cluster here to hide this one. You can go and check simultaneously. So this is it, and this is the paint placement. You can paint anywhere you want. This is the actually newer option in the Lumion. So it's much easier, but carefully it's make your file much heavily. So do not place much trees in it. So this is it. That's the tree part. You can check also this is the palm tree. You click on that and place it anywhere. I place the tree. What I need is, after placement of tree, I can transform. This is the moving tools, horizontal and vertical. The control is basically same. You can rotate it from any direction you want. This is the scale option. You can resize the trees as requirement you want. The shortcut of the rotation is R. After selecting R, you can make the rotation. After that, you can deselect this, delete this tree. So after that, what you do is there is the human panel. You can explore the other option. There are the shrubs and trees. You can place what is basically the system is same. You select this one and click anywhere, it places anywhere. Okay. So what next option is the people and dogs. You can see the people, and I just select the cycle one. You can place it anywhere as per your road, as per your requirement. I just place this is the walker, this is the African, the man is walking. Set the angle and the direction, rotation. Do not manipulate with the human scale or vehicle scale. Be careful because it's the element of the scale of the whole model. Otherwise, it will look the much funnier and the wrong model. This is the wrong representation, so be careful in that. Can select as per you need. This is the sitting man. You can place the chair anywhere, furniture, and sit the person here. So the person is sitting now. This is the dogs and animals. This is the 2D basically see layout without the color. Some people like to place the blank model in the your is use, so you can place the 2D animals. This is the birds and the other. You can explore as per as you are much detailing part in it. This is the swimming. You can dig the water and place the man in the water. I'll show you in the later part detail one. So here is the basic human placement. The kids, girls, boys, and the pets. You can select. This vehicle are the same. This is the all the vehicle. The car, sports car, SUV, vans, buses, construction yard, boats. You can place the steamer also. You can place the. If your model is the landscape and the sea facing with the seashore, you can place the as per your region, but careful with region. You can use balloon, you can place anything. I place the aeroplane also. The method is same. You can just place it and scale the model. And carefully scale the model. Okay. So I just select the car. Which car you want to place? I just select this one car. Just click and before this you can control rotation by I control this. I set the direction for the car. If you want to like to showing the walking car, you can place on the road, otherwise you can show in the parking also. After in the specification, just click on it. You can customize the setting. This is the number plate also. I think you are customizing. The new Lumion has the option, I think, to customize. Just yes. No, this is not up. Okay, this is the country code you can change. You can. This is not necessary and not much part to go to it, so leave it here. This is the old. You can try. Just place the camera other side, so you can easily show the controls of the. Easily show the controls. So what you do is just select the vehicle and placement. You can turn on, turn off the light also. You see the light are flickering. See, this is the light on off option. This is the metallic paint option. You can change, customize. You can change the color also of the car, and you can show driver on or off. Here's the dummy driver, not much realistic, but it shows like driver. So click on off. You can customize this one. This is the tool of the car, same as for the furniture objects. You can place where I place the camera. Okay, here is the best. So you can place the furniture like that also. You can place the garden furniture anywhere. I just set the persons. You can customize by going the customer tab. So I just this is the placement of the human. Okay, so this is the objects you can find by searching. This is the tables, electronics and lighting, exterior. This is the stuff for garden, like the gazebo and chairs, garden chairs and that stuff. You can place easily from anywhere here. So that is the outdoor lighting. Okay. This is the lighting stuff is different from this one. These are the 4 tools. First you need to practice. After that you try to make the sky view or night view and the other lighting view. So I basically prefer you to just check out these 4 options in the first part, and I show you the other ones in the details in the other videos. I quickly introduce you the sun, the weather you can change. just click on the fourth option. You can set this one also as per your requirement. North is you can stick to your direction of the model. This is the option of real sky. You can on or off the sky. I'll show you in the later detail in the later videos, because this video is taking much time and video size is huge, so this is making the boring for the viewer. So I'll take the cover in the next part. So this is the sun brightness in the control. You can change from here, wind speed, cloudiness. This is the much more detailed work. This is the cloud. You can go anywhere. Cloud, you can remove the cloud and adjust the cloud. This is the sun. This is basically time of the day. You can adjust from the whole day. This is the night view. Okay, the wind speed. So that's it. I think that's it. Enough for the today to practicing. So I'll show you the most fun stuff. You want to see the light, just click on the I show you light, click on that and pull on the light. Now it's able to see the lighting. Okay, so this is the model I basically show. You can do it much better. I'll do it also much better, but this is the fastly I'll show you how to placement. I'll show you the much better example of the landscaping in the later of the video part, so you can also take the references from there. And I'll try to bring you every detail as I able to show you how to I render the model and I basically hand over to the client. So in this video we will end this video today. So if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe the channel and share with your colleagues, and mention your views and other questions you need, queries you want to know, other queries you want to know in the comment box. I'll try to show you how to resolve it, and feel free to contact me anytime. I'll mention the details and the contact of the email ID and contact number in the description part, so you can easily WhatsApp me anytime for any confusion. I'm here. You can text me, message me, WhatsApp me anytime. I'm really glad to help you out in this stuff. I much like to show the student how to do in the practical world, how to use in the architecture field. You can see much more tutorials on the YouTube and anywhere also, but here my attempt is to do, there is a lots of video better than me how to use Lumion from step to step in detail, but I will show you how the basic part and which are the part you can using and necessary to use in the architecture and interior field. I'll try to help you out, and I'm glad to help the students who are much interested in knowing the and want to explore the software. So here is the part, and if you don't watch the first part, just check out the first one. It's a clear mess. I mess up with the audio part, so basically just keep on subtitles and lower the volume. You can see also, check out also by showing the video. You can easily understand, but ignore the noise part. I'm glad to help you. I'm glad to help the student out. So feel free to contact anytime. You can message me, WhatsApp me anytime. So okay, thank you for the watching. Please, if you are new to channel, like my channel and subscribe it, and you can also follow my architectural page on the Instagram. I'll mention in the description. So bye for the today. This is for the today. Okay, bye.